You ever wake up and just lay there, staring at the ceiling, knowing you've got 100 things to do, but zero energy to move? That's exactly how most successful people feel too. But here's what they do differently. They don't wait for motivation. They train their body to move before their brain makes excuses. They don't scroll their phone. They guard their peace like it's gold. They do one thing, just one small win, before the world even wakes up. A walk, a workout, a journal entry, not for social media, for themselves. That win builds momentum. And momentum, it's what separates I'll try from I did. Because success isn't about waking up at 5 a.m. It's about what you do once you're awake. So tomorrow morning, don't aim for a perfect routine. Just do one thing that moves your life forward. That's how it starts. That's how they win. That's how you will too.